Your car won't start and you're about to spend hundreds at the mechanic, but changing a battery is actually super easy to do yourself in just 15 minutes. First, park somewhere safe and turn everything off. Put on gloves and safety goggles because battery acid is no joke. Pop the hood and find that rectangular battery box. It's usually in a corner of the engine bay. Here's the crucial part. Always disconnect the negative cable first. It's the black one with the minus sign. Use a wrench to loosen it and keep it away from anything metal. Then do the same with the positive cable, the red one with the plus sign. Remove any brackets holding the battery in place and lift that heavy boy out. Clean those crusty terminals with some sandpaper until they're shiny. Now grab your new battery. Make sure it's the exact same size as your old one. Drop it in, making sure it's facing the same way as the old battery. This time, connect the positive cable first, then the negative one. It's literally the reverse order of taking it out. Spray some lithium grease on those terminals to prevent corrosion, close the hood, and boom, you just saved yourself a bunch of money and learned a valuable skill. Pro tip, take a picture of your old battery before buying a new one, and most auto parts stores will actually take your old battery for recycling. Just like that, you've become your own mechanic for one of the most common car problems out there.